one demo in Winter Park continued. So this is where we pulled up the LVP. This is what they've got down over the existing flooring. I will be putting that back down. So we pulled it up because of some of the work we're going to be doing in here. So they took out a corner cabinet that was there. So in the kitchen, we took out all of the cabinets, all the appliances, everything in here is ready to go. So we opened up the ceiling because we have to run a bunch of new wiring in here for the redesigned kitchen. This wall is going to come out of here entirely to open this space up into what is now, has been a butler's pantry, essentially. So we took out the cabinets there. That was shelving back there for the pantry. That's coming out. So the hot water tank will come out of here tomorrow. So that way we can go ahead and extend the kitchen down once the wall's gone, all the way down to here. So again, took the ceiling out in here because you're gonna have to rerun a bunch of stuff to go ahead and move everything around. That's what we're looking at in this portion of it. We also have, actually, let's run back to the master bath real quick and we'll show you a little bit of work that they've done back here. So they've started to go ahead and take out the vanity and the mirrors. Everything's ready to go in here. Tomorrow's even more